Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use ClickUp AI to automatically generate clear, organized task checklists for any project. Whether you are planning a workflow, preparing a campaign, or breaking down a complex idea into actionable steps, ClickUp AI helps you turn your goals into structured, ready-to-use task list in seconds. We will walk through how to prompt the AI effectively, customize your checklist, refine the details, and instantly add everything into your workspace. By the end of this video, you will know how to create complete professional checklist using ClickUp AI, saving time, reducing manual work, and keeping your projects perfectly organized. So right now I am at the website of the ClickUp.com. I have also provided you our affiliate link in the description of this video. Okay, so you can just click on that link and you will reach to this website. This is the overall layout of this website. So first of all, we have to create an account on this website. So I will sign up, click on the sign up button, and here you can write your email address. Okay, so let me write mine. So I have added my email, so now I will click on this activate button. So in this section again, you can just click on your continue with Google account to create an account. So I will just select again my Google account here. Okay, and after that I will give it the access to my Gmail account so that it can access my name and profile picture including email address. So after giving access, I will click on this continue button, and so that's how our account will be successfully created at this website. So now it has taken us to the new team setup here. So we are going to use it for personal purposes. So I've selected the personal, and let's say we want to do it for the as you can also skip this option or to keep the personal use. How did you hear about? You hear this website about from YouTube from our video. So if you want to add the email address of your team member, you can add. Otherwise, you can just select next button and it will automatically skip. So they are asking what kind of tools we are going to use. So we are going to use Google Drive only. Okay, so I've selected it. You can also select any of these multiple tools here. So I select next here, and which feature are you interested in? We are basically interested in scheduling and providing note taking. Okay, so let's see if we have any feature here regarding the task checklist. So this is the task and project, so it's already been selected. So let's select next, and this is our workplace name. Now that's how we have personalized our dashboard workspace, so it will show up here in just a few seconds. So we are all set up with the task checklist management with the help of the AI feature which is provided by the ClickUp. Okay, so finally we are at the dashboard of our workspace. As you can see this, so as you can see that they have also given us the chat box section where you we can write a prompt and many things. So let's go for the home section. Okay, so this is our home section. On the left side you will see this uh, where you can manage your plans. You can also use this brain AI feature. You can also access this brain feature from the ask AI button. Okay, so as you can see that this is our team space, and here you can see there are some list of the tasks that have been added here. So you can manage them manually, like you can add your task, you can assign a team, and you can also add due date, and you can also change the priority, like you want to do it for urgent. So this is our basically to do status. Here you can do add your task, assign them, and give them any like due date to the team members, and when the task is completed they can update their status, and if they have any questions they can also add their comments. So this is basically the pre-made to do checklist which is been made by the ClickUp AI templates. Okay, so we don't have to do anything, just we have to add our task, assign a team, add due date, add the priority, and the team will keep on updating the state, and that's how you will get all the details of the to do checklist with the help of the ClickUp AI. So that was all about ClickUp AI. I have also provided our affiliate link in the description. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.